Wow. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Davy Jnr. Yeah, we from the market, and I have today a special guest with me. Hey, what's
Hello,
up?
I am Grace. We are from the market. We bought some vegetables, and this is unga. We call it corn flour.
So, we from the market, guys. As you can see right here, I'm carrying flour that we use to make ugali. Ugali is one of the foods that we cook here in Kenya. Actually, it is the staple food here in Kenya, ugali. If you are visiting Kenya, kindly ask for ugali. It is one of the staple foods that we have here in Kenya. Actually, and right here, inside here, we have, I don't know if you can see them, guys, we have green vegetables inside this bag. You see, this is veg. Yeah, how do we call these? Actually, sorry guys, these days, I left this place and I've almost forgotten everything. Like, I don't know how we call these. How do we call these veg?
No, this is mchicha in our Kiswahili language. That's in our Kenyan language.
No, this is not mchicha.
It's a mixture.
This is managu. Look. Where is mchicha?
Mchicha is here.
Oh, it is a mixture, guys. Yeah, this is mchicha right here, and this is managu. So we wanna prepare them today. Are you ready for this vlog, guys?
We have also spring onions.
So these are onions, as you can see them. Leaves, green leaves, yeah. We have two varieties of onion. We have those ones which are round, and also we have these ones that they look like green in color.
So spring onions.
Spring onions.
Yeah.
Eish, she did agriculture in high school. Eish.
These are spring onions.
Mm-hmm.
If you cook with these ones and you put some other stuff, it will taste so nice than the other onions.
Wow, I didn't know that. So guys,
you can use even only the leaves if you want, or you can use the stem. The stem is from here to here, and this is the leaves. You can decide to use the leaves or the stem.
Wow. And actually we are home. This is how my home looks like. For the new subscribers, this is how my home looks like. Yeah. So if you're enjoying this video, kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming from the village, guys. Right now I'm no longer in Nairobi because I'm a student in one of the universities in Nairobi. So I decided just to come back here at home just to say hi to my family members. Yeah, but I'm just staying here for only a week. Then I'll be back to Nairobi. Actually, she's Grace, guys. For those who don't know, she's Grace.
I am Grace Kelly. You can tune on my YouTube channel also. I have decided to open.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
I have opened it. It has not finished even a month or two. It's like 1 month.
That's good news. I want to be helping her to get 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yeah. And if you are my fan, kindly subscribe to her channel,
Thank you, David.
Yeah, we want to be getting her 1,000 subscribers, Wow, that's so amazing. I didn't know that, actually. Wow, that's good news. I want to be leaving her link down below, guys. So, yeah, this is how everything looks like. That's our dog, though it is asleep. Yo. It is awake, So we're heading to the kitchen, and right there, that is our outside kitchen. Yeah, this is how everything looks like here in my village. And this is flour, actually. Yeah, as I have already said, this is flour. Wow. Grace, how is life here? Since you are alone,
Oh, life is tough here, but I'm trying. It's very difficult. It has to manage everything. Needs to only 2 hands in everything that I'm doing here.
Wow,
so
wow.
I run up and down to make sure that everything is all right.
Yeah, for sure. Actually, my mom, she's not around, so she's alone here at my home, guys. She helps us to prepare food and ensure everything is in order, you know. Yeah, so this is how our outside kitchen looks like. Yeah, we use wood, firewood, to prepare food. This is the source of fuel that we use to prepare food, guys, here in the village. And this is the pot, though we use it to prepare food for dogs, like we use it to boil meat for dogs. Yeah. So this is how basically we lit fire. So before putting the veg at the fire right there, we want to wash them, then we want to put them to boil. Yeah.
This is the pot we are going to use.
Yeah, this is the pot that we use to boil the veg. You know, sorry to say this, other people may wonder, why is this pot so black? What's the reason? Because we use firewood, guys. Yeah, that's why it is as black as you can see here. Yeah. Wow. And then you wanna cover it?
Cover it for 10 minutes, and then we are going to fry them with some tomatoes and the spring onions.
Yeah. So, yeah, let's wait for 10 minutes, then we wanna fry them. Not fry them, guys. Sorry, fry them. Are they ready now?
I think they are ready.
Let's check. So, wow.
So you have to turn. I think they are ready.
Yeah, you can tell they are ready, guys. So we want to fry them, you know. Frying is like putting tomatoes inside here and oil, yeah, to bring that taste. Time for us to add the salt right here. Yeah, that's the salt actually. That's it.
Yeah.
So you leave them
for 5 minutes. We cover them again.
Cover with this lid, and then.
Okay. And then after that, we remove them, we put them something like a bowl so that we may use it for dinner.
Yeah, that's how it is, guys. It's so cheap as that. Yeah, I think that's it, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you to actually.
Thank you for helping me today, Davy.
Yeah, guys, that's how basically it is, you know. She's so nice. She always helps us to prepare food and also some activities, small activities here at our home. So I think you enjoy this video, guys. It was just a normal random video, you know. Yeah. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate more videos are coming from my villages here. To be precise, my village is located in Kenya, the border between Kenya and Tanzania. Yeah. And this is how everything looks like. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you, man. I really appreciate for always supporting me. Thank you. And also you can follow me on Instagram, the same name as this YouTube channel, Davy Jnr. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. Greetings from home. Bye. Oh, I think you go. Iko poa. Chapati hiyo.